Once upon a time, in a world so sweet, the moon had a secret. Oh, what a treat! With a magical twinkle and a silver glow, it could talk to children, high and low. In every town where bedtime came near, the moon would whisper, oh, so clear. Hello, dear children. It's time to rest. I'm Luna, the moon, your sleepy time quest. In bedrooms cozy and beds so snug, little ones blinked, giving the moon a hug. Luna chuckled. I see you're wide awake. Let's talk, my friends, for goodness sake. With a twinkle in the night, Luna began. A tale of a bunny named Stan. Stan loved carrots. Oh, what a treat! He hopped around, his paws so fleet. But one day, as Stan nibbled away, he found a tunnel, and into it he did sway. It led to a world under the ground, a bunny city, oh so profound. The children giggled, their eyes so wide, as Luna spun the tale with a moonlit guide. Bunny houses made of leaves and sticks, a bunny band playing carrot sticks. But wait, what's this? A little mole popped up, making the story whole. Molly the mole, with glasses on her nose and a shovel in hand, she dug in rows. Stan and Molly became the best of friends, digging tunnels, making bunny amends. They hopped and giggled under the moon's glow in the bunny city, where the carrots grow. As Luna shared the tale, the children smiled, in their beds, all snuggled and piled. The moon's soft glow, a comforting light, guiding dreams through the starry night. But Luna had more, oh what a surprise, a story of a duck with curious eyes. Daisy was her name, feathers so yellow, waddling by the lake, oh what a fellow. One day, as Daisy quacked along, she heard a song, a turtle's song. Terry the turtle, in the reeds so grand, serenading the pond with a ukulele in hand. Daisy joined in, with a quack and a honk, a duck and a turtle, a musical bonk. They sang by the water, under the moon's light, a moonlit concert. Oh, what a sight! The children giggled, their hearts so light, as Luna shared tales in the bedtime night. Daisy and Terry, a musical pair, in the moon's lullaby, beyond compare. But as the night sailed to a cosy end, Luna whispered, it's time, my friend. Close your eyes. In dreamland take flight. Good night, dear children. Sleep tight. And so, in each town where the moonlight kissed, children drifted into dreams. Oh, what a bliss! Under Luna's watch, in the silent night, a sweet good night, with dreams so bright. Once upon a time, in a world so wide, lived a magical star, full of pride. Its name was Twinkle, shining so bright in the velvety darkness of the night. In Starland, where dreams took flight, Twinkle sparkled with pure delight. With a wink and a shimmer, it danced above, a star so magical, spreading starry love. One night, Twinkle decided to roam, to visit Earth and find a new home. Down it twinkled, in a starry trance, a magical journey, a cosmic dance. As Twinkle descended, it saw below a little town, all in a gentle glow. Houses twinkled with soft light, under the moon, a tranquil sight. But wait, what's this? A little child, looking up, ease so mild. Twinkle winked, hello, little friend, I'm Twinkle, here to lend. The child giggled, a talking star? How cool you are, you've come far. Twinkle grinned, I'm on an adventure, you see. Would you like to come along with me? So off they went, in the starry air, Twinkle and the child, a cosmic pair. Through the night they soared so high, Twinkle twinkling, the child reaching the sky. Over hills and valleys and rivers so blue, Twinkle whispered tales of starry dew. The child listened, eyes so wide, as Twinkle painted dreams far and wide. But as the night embraced the dawn, Twinkle knew it was time to be gone. I'll leave you here, my dear little friend, back to Starland, where dreams don't end." The child smiled. "Thank you, dear star, for taking me on a journey so far. I'll remember our magical flight under the moon's soft and silvery light. Twinkle twinkled, a farewell bright, and in a blink it soared in the night. Back to Starland, in the starry sea, leaving behind a tale of glee. Now every night, as the stars did gleam, the child would close their eyes and dream of Twinkle, the star so far and bright, a magical journey under the night. And in Starland, where dreams took flight, Twinkle twinkled with pure delight. In the cosmic dance, in the starry sea, Twinkle shone, forever free. As the child drifted into dreamy bliss under the moon's gentle kiss, they whispered, "Good night, dear star. In dreams we'll meet near or far." And so, in the quiet of the night, under the moon's soft and silvery light, the child slept, dreams taking flight, a sweet good night, oh so tight.